Your GPU is sagging right now. Not bent, not broken, just slowly, quietly, pulling down on the one connector holding it to your motherboard. And most people have no idea it's happening. Here's the physics. A modern high-end GPU, your 4080, your 4090, your 5080, can weigh over 6 pounds. Some hit almost 7. That weight hangs off a single point, the PCIe slot on your motherboard. Over time, that constant downward force puts mechanical stress on the slot, the connector pins, the solder joints. It doesn't fail overnight. It bends, it wears slowly. Here's what tells you this isn't just overcautious internet worry. ASUS put a gyroscope inside the RTX 5090 ROG matrix. Not a stand, not a bracket. A sensor embedded directly on the PCB that watches for sag in real time. They called it level sense. It fires an alert if the card tilts by as little as 1/10 of a degree. Think about what that means. One of the biggest GPU manufacturers in the world spent engineering time and money building a sag detection system into their flagship card. They did that because the problem is real, and they've now expanded it. Level sense isn't just on the Matrix anymore, it's on the ROG Astral lineup too. At the same time, motherboard manufacturers started reinforcing PCIe slots, specifically to handle the weight of modern GPUs. They redesigned a part that hadn't needed to change in years, because the cards got too heavy to ignore. Tom's Hardware covered it. So did Tech PowerUp. This is not fringe concern. The industry moved because the physics forced them to. Your GPU is expensive. A 4080 runs over $1,000, a 4090 more than that. And it's sitting there right now, putting constant stress on a connector that was never designed to act as a structural support. The slot can handle it, for a while. But PC builders keep their cards for years. That stress compounds. Most people won't notice until something goes wrong. By then, the damage is already done. There's a simple fix. A good GPU stand costs less than a single game. But we didn't want to just say that. We're running a 90-day load test. A real GPU, a real PCIe slot, mounted under controlled conditions and measured at regular intervals for deflection and wear. No guessing, actual data. Results start coming in over the next few weeks, and we're publishing all of it. Subscribe if you want to see what actually happens to your slot over 3 months of sag. And if you're already convinced, links in the description.